Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. This is a universal thing you can do on cars. Customer was having problems sporadically with his fuel pump, and now the fuel pump is really struggling, but we want to make sure that we know it is the fuel pump. The fuel pump doesn't want to do anything anymore. It's completely died. So the easiest thing to do is get yourself some starter fluid. When you're doing this, never ever spray the starting fluid anywhere near the mass airflow sensor. You will destroy it. So all you have to do is, after the mass airflow sensor, find out the easiest part to get this inside the throttle. So with this nice military gentleman, I'm going to pull this off right here. And not all cars have this part, but sometimes they'll have a little hose somewhere you can spray inside of it. And all you have to do, it's a little tight, put this back in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray, and it's going to get near the throttle. This is just like having gasoline, like when you used to pour gas inside the carburetor to get it started. This is just a modern way of doing it. Again, I'm going to emphasize something. Do not spray anywhere near this mass airflow sensor. So anything before it, leave it alone. Find a hose that's closest to it or goes directly to the throttle. I spray in 5-second intervals. So I'm going to spray inside the hose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to put this back on. The car is going to start up for a couple seconds or run purely like crap because there's no fuel pressure. This is acting as fuel. So I'm going to go over to the car and I'm going to fire it up. If you have no diagnostic machine, this is a very easy way of deciphering it. As you can see, voila, it's going to run like pure crap. The fuel pump doesn't have enough, it's dying, so it cannot give the pressure to do this. As you can see, it died. There is no pressure. Another thing you can do is if you are in an emergency, find out where your fuel tank is at. So all you need to know is, on this particular car, the filler cap is on this side, so you know the fuel tank is sitting right there. You go up under the car and you start tapping with something very hard and have somebody try to start the car. If the vehicle actually physically starts when you do that, then that means your fuel pump is just weak. It's like tapping on a starter. With that being said, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. If you feel any appreciation or this benefited you in any shape or way, hit that super thanks button. And also, if you want to see these videos before anybody else sees it 3 to 5 days earlier, plus you'll get a shout out, priority comments, etc., etc., hit that join button. Thank you.